Hello and welcome to today's guided meditation. Before we get started, I recommend putting headphones in, finding a safe environment with minimal interruptions where you can get comfortable but remain present and conscious, whether you're sitting in a chair, sitting up against back support, or finding a position that works for you. I recommend, as you move through this meditation, focusing on your breath and knowing that somewhere in the center, I will say the words, "The time now is yours." And in that space, it is time for you to simply sit alone and allow the messages, the downloads, and the knowings to come through. After a period of time, you will hear my voice resume, and I will bring you out of the meditative state. Today's meditation is a journey inward to your highest consciousness. As you move into this space, focusing on your breath and my voice are going to keep you in that high vibrational state. Take a few moments to get settled, and we'll start now with breath. Begin by breathing in through your nose, 1, 2, 3, 4, holding at the top, and exhaling 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, breathing in through your nose, 1, 2, 3, 4, holding at the top, and exhaling 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remaining present as you breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, holding at the top. Exhaling 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continuing to breathe at a rate that feels comfortable for you, in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you sink into the present moment, I want you to envision yourself walking down a beautiful forest path. You feel the cool soil beneath your feet, the gentle breeze caressing your skin, the sun peeking through the tops of the trees, warming your body. As you walk, a beautiful red energy begins to swirl around you. This energy grounds you deep into the Earth Mother, creating feelings of safety, security, knowing of your own beliefs and ideals. As this powerful red energy swirls around you, anchoring you deep in to the earth, you feel held, protected, and seen. This red energy swirls into a vibrant orange, consuming your presence as you are filled with life-sustaining, life force energy. As your divine feminine awakens and you sink into a deep state of surrender, knowing you are always safe when you turn within, full of your own magical essence. This orange energy reminds you of all that you are, your creative powers, your soft vulnerability, your fierce feminine. And as this orange swirls into yellow, beautiful electric tingles fill your system as you are fully powered on. Your divine masculine activates, and you feel a drive for life like never before. Owning your creations, moving forward, creating action, forging your own path as you stand in awe of all that is before you. Confidence, security, power move through your system, still full of yourself and grounded into the earth as a beautiful green energy consumes the colors before it, opening you to the frequency of love. As this powerful green energy wraps itself around you, your heart opens fully and you feel oneness with all around you. Open to divine love and seeing others in divine love, you remember now that love is what you are. As this powerful green energy creates a newer frequency within your vessel, still fully in your power, full of self and grounded into the earth, a bright blue energy now pours over your system, awakening your soul essence, your authentic soul connection, now stepping into the ethereal senses as your throat expands and you are activated in integrity and truth, boldly declaring your message to all that will receive it, powered on by your cosmic soul. Still open to love in your sovereignty, full of self and grounded into the earth. You feel alignment moving through you as a beautiful indigo energy opens and activates your third eye. Every knowing, every sense powered on in perfect harmony as every puzzle piece of your life comes together, making perfect sense, a knowing and a deep truth of what you are and why you are here. And with a final burst of color, a beautiful violet swirled with white energy opens your crown as you stand fully in your divinity. A host of angels and cosmic support around you, still fully open to all senses, standing in your soul truth, open to love, in your sovereignty, full of self and grounded into the earth. You are now fully open and aligned to both the earth and the cosmos, fully active in your divine, unique power. And as the colors fade and you find yourself back on the forest path, you notice before you the most magnificent tree you have ever seen. You are called to this powerful tree, the keeper of wisdom of all lifetimes past and future. As you walk towards this tree, you notice a knob on the outside. Reaching for it, it opens, revealing a portal in to a vibrant white room. You walk through this portal, and suddenly you are standing in a room full of your soul tribe. They have brought you here as a reminder of your highest consciousness, your true state, the you that you really are when the vessel and the earthly senses fall away. The you who is truly there under the ego and masks, under the personality, the essence of your eternal soul. They have brought you in this room for a great remembering, to allow you to tune in and fully remember your highest consciousness. As you stand before them now, they begin to share with you a powerful and unique message for your soul alone. The time is yours to listen. As this powerful experience comes to an end, know that you can stand in this state of higher consciousness at any moment, at any time, that it is your truth, the you that you really are. Before you go to leave, your highest self and soul tribe put their arms and hands around your chest, invoking you with the most divine frequency of love, moving their hands to your forehead, activating all of your knowing and senses. Before you leave this room, ask your highest consciousness to remain in two-way communication, to allow miracles and knowings to unfold before you so that you know without a doubt that this experience was and is real. As you say your goodbyes, walking over to the door in this beautiful room, as it opens, revealing the forest path from which you came. As you step out the door, allow yourself to sink into the frequency of gratitude for all that took place here today and all that will unfold before you. Allow yourself to feel immense gratitude for the life that you are stepping into, for the miracles that will unfold and the prayers that will be answered, knowing that they have already been created in this timeline. And as you walk back down the forest path, beginning to breathe consciously in through your nose and out through your mouth, as you begin the descent back into your full human form, becoming present to your vessel, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth, feeling yourself in your room, in through your nose and out through your mouth as you feel your fingers and toes, the weight of your body. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fully awake, fully conscious, fully present, remembering all that just occurred. When you are ready to open your eyes, your journey is complete.